I have the best view in the world. Welcome to Totally Evelyn. Here I am at Jumeirah Golf Estates to give you an update on the 2 villas that I unwrapped for you at Christmas time. We are almost finished. Viewers have been arriving, however, because it's not completely finished, nobody's really offered. The thing is, when they wait until it's completely finished, it's going to be a lot higher in price. So I wanted to show you what they're like now, and if you are an investor or you want to relocate here in Dubai, keep watching. If you do have an interest, get in contact with me before they go on the live portals, because we all know that as soon as they go on the live portals, it will be a frenzy. All the agents will be all over this like a rash and the prices will be extortionate. Anyway, this is a really lovely land here. It's 2 villas on a unique plot here. So I don't know if you can remember them, but I'll just show you quickly. I'm going to start with my favourite one, my very favourite one. And I'll tell you why in a minute. And I'll show you between the two. There's not a lot of difference. Both sit on 6,000 square feet plots and 5,000 built up area, slightly just over on each one. So let's go inside this beautiful villa. Now this is the area here. Your golfing's here.
I tried so hard and got so far.
The garden goes on forever. More of an infinity pool than a swimming pool. It will certainly need cleaned out. Everything still has to get all finished, of course. Barbecue area here. Nice shutters. Georgian type windows here. That'd be the table and chair. It's closed to keep us agents out. When you hustle like me, you will always find a way in. Always. By the way guys, you should always make sure that if you are dealing with an agent, make sure the agent is a hustler. This is lovely, isn't it? Now I'll get my big face out of here with the glasses on. So we just came in the door there. This is the front. Very, very bright.
It doesn't even matter.
But that is a dressing area, and I'm not going to go in there because some poor guy might jump out. Kitchen! I love a nice kitchen like this. Isn't it nice? So nice, I could just see myself in here. What I love is they are floor to ceiling and different textures as well. So you've got that colour and then you've got this colour here. The worktops are solid and shiny on the top. Time to go upstairs. Oh, that this kitchen can be closed off. Some people like a closed kitchen, some people like a open plan kitchen, but if you wanted you could just close that kitchen off, and that way you've got a private kitchen with another door in there. Always options. This is the master. It's got a high step to go outside into the terrace. That's it. There's a terrace, we can have sunshine. It's so big. So private here, really quiet. In Jumeirah Golf Estates, typically all the villas are very close to each other, like these ones over there. And if you think getting 2 villas on one piece of land, so you'd only have one neighbour and you'd have your own detached villa, far enough away from each other, but close enough if you like to be close. And also if you are one of these type of people that like to buy with the extended family, you know, you might want to to buy both these villas, that would be some party. Remember to invite me if you're having the party. 2 villas, a nice terrace again. So you've got terraces everywhere here. So there's no excuse for couples who say that they are not getting privacy. You can have as much privacy as you like here. You have a room each and a terrace each. Peace, perfect peace. If you want to get away from the children. These are 4 bedrooms. It's got a maid's room. It's got a utility room here. Okay, let's walk. Of course you've got your garage right there. So let's go next door. So you can see how far I'm walking. This whole area is going to be landscaped. Sorry about the noise, they're doing some work here. Can you notice the difference of this villa? This is a lounge.
Baby, you are my life. 你点亮我的爱 Forever shine 命中注定的安排
There is an exception to this one. The maid's room, or the driver's room as they call it, is outside in here. That is a shower room. This is the driver's room. In fact, if this is the maid's room or the driver's room, they've got their own little garden here when they come out. Are you ready to suffer the noise again upstairs? So the house is over here. It's going to be Ellie Sab, just over there. And over here, we've already handed over. So there's nothing else to be built here. And that piece of land over there is just going to be like, it looks like a play area. The land over here will always be for the golfers, for their buggies. So there's nothing that can spoil your view. Everything here on this terrace is going to be relaxing for you. I'll take you a little walk up to the area as well, and to the clubhouse, so that you can see as we go what it's like to live on Jumeirah Golf Estates. How lovely. So now it's time for me to go and grab a coffee, which is just at the clubhouse, so it won't take me long, and I'll be sitting with a coffee, a water, maybe a big fat croissant, because I'm so hungry. Where is a good place for families to stay in Dubai? This is the absolute favourite. It's a bit windy. Go to diet. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you're looking for more information, let me know. It will be listed in the next week or so, and it should be complete. But my advice, as said before, if you really are interested in it, don't wait. It's too late. I'll keep you updated, of course, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share.